Most fruit trees start struggling when winter temperatures drop below zero, but in some parts of North America, winter doesn't stop at zero. It drops to -20, -30, even -50 degrees. At those temperatures, entire orchards can die, bark can split open, and flower buds can be wiped out long before spring arrives. Yet scattered across Siberia, Mongolia, northern China, Canada, and other brutally cold regions are fruit trees that somehow survive it all. Some have evolved ways to keep their cells from freezing. Others can withstand temperatures that would destroy almost every fruit tree most gardeners know. The surprising part is that almost nobody plants them. Many produce edible fruit. Some create excellent jams, wines, and preserves, and a few are considered hidden gems by rare fruit collectors. Today we're counting down 11 of the toughest fruit trees on Earth, starting with one that can survive temperatures approaching -58 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 11. Siberian Apricot, Prunus siberica. Imagine growing an apricot tree in a place where winter temperatures can plunge to nearly -58 degrees Fahrenheit. That's exactly what the Siberian apricot was built for. Native to the harsh landscapes of Siberia, Mongolia, and northern China, this rugged tree ranks among the most cold-tolerant stone fruits ever discovered. While ordinary apricot trees often suffer severe winter damage, Siberian apricot evolved a completely different survival strategy. Instead of allowing ice to form inside its cells, it safely moves water away from vulnerable tissues, helping the tree survive temperatures that would kill most orchard crops. In spring, it produces attractive blossoms followed by small yellow-orange fruits in summer. But don't expect supermarket-quality apricots. The fruits are small, tart, and highly acidic, making them far less appealing for fresh eating. Historically, the real value came from the seeds, which can be processed into a rich edible oil. For most gardeners, it's more of a survival tree than a dessert tree. And that's exactly why the next fruit on our list may surprise you. Number 10. Siberian Pear, Pyrus usuriensis. If there's one pear tree that laughs at brutal winters, it's the Siberian pear. Also known as the Usurian pear, this remarkable species is widely considered the hardiest pear tree in the world. It can survive temperatures around -40 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to thrive in regions where many commercial pear varieties simply fail. Its secret lies in an unusual survival mechanism that keeps water inside certain tissues from freezing, even when temperatures plunge far below normal winter conditions. The tree itself can grow into a large, attractive specimen covered in clusters of white spring flowers. But the fruit is what makes this tree truly unusual. Fresh off the branch, these pears are hard, woody, and extremely astringent. Most people would never enjoy eating them straight from the tree. However, after a hard frost, the fruit softens naturally, sugars increase, and the flavor improves dramatically. For generations, people have used them for cider, preserves, fruit leather, and fermented pear vinegar. And unlike our previous tree, the next fruit offers something many gardeners value even more: berries packed with nutrients and incredible cold resistance. Number 9. Silver buffalo berry, Shipova argentea. At first glance, silver buffalo berry doesn't look like a fruit tree worth getting excited about. It's thorny, rugged, and often resembles a wild shrub more than something you'd intentionally plant for food. But appearances can be deceiving. Native to the northern Great Plains, this tough species can survive temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, while continuing to produce bright red berries loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and lycopene. Its silvery leaves aren't just decorative either. They're covered with tiny protective hairs that help reduce moisture loss and shield the plant from freezing winter winds. The berries ripen in late summer, but harvesting them too early can be disappointing. Fresh fruit is usually tart and astringent. After the first autumn frost, however, the flavor changes dramatically. The berries become sweeter, less harsh, and much more enjoyable to eat. Of course, there's a catch. Because buffalo berry has separate male and female plants, you'll need both to get fruit. Add in the sharp thorns, and harvesting can become a challenge. Still, for pure cold climate toughness, few fruiting plants can compete. And the next tree proves that surviving extreme cold doesn't always mean sacrificing great flavor. Number 8. Canada Plum, Prunus nigra. Most people have never heard of Canada Plum, yet it may be one of North America's most underrated cold climate fruit trees. Unlike many ultra-hardy fruits that survive harsh winters at the expense of flavor, Canada Plum manages to deliver both. This native species can tolerate temperatures approaching -40°F, while producing attractive red to orange plums with juicy golden flesh inside. The fruit has a pleasant sweetness, a touch of tartness near the pit, and naturally high pectin levels that make it excellent for jams, syrups, preserves, and homemade desserts. Its winter survival strategy is equally impressive. As cold weather approaches, the tree gradually removes water from sensitive bud tissues, reducing the risk of damaging ice formation during extreme freezes. This allows the buds to survive temperatures that would destroy many conventional fruit trees. Unfortunately, Canada Plum comes with a drawback that discourages some growers. The tree loves to spread. Its roots regularly send up new shoots, and over time, a single tree can develop into a dense thicket if left unmanaged. Still, for gardeners looking for a cold, hardy fruit that actually tastes good, Canada Plum may be one of the best kept secrets in northern horticulture. But the next tree on our list is far stranger, and its fruit is turned into something most people would never expect. Number 7. European bird cherry, Prunus padus. If you judge this tree by the taste of its fresh fruit alone, you probably wouldn't plant it. European bird cherry produces small, dark purple berries that are intensely bitter, highly astringent, and far from what most people expect when they hear the word cherry. Yet despite that drawback, this tree has been valued across Northern Europe and Russia for centuries. The reason becomes clear once you see what people do with the fruit. Instead of eating the berries fresh, they dry them, grind them into a fine flour, and use that flour in traditional cakes, pastries, and desserts. The result is a unique flavor often described as a mix of almond, chocolate, and cherry, something completely different from ordinary baking ingredients. The tree itself is exceptionally tough. It can withstand temperatures near -40°F and survives long northern winters by allowing controlled ice formation outside its most vulnerable tissues, protecting flower buds from freeze damage. Of course, this isn't a perfect fruit tree. The seeds and other parts of the plant contain naturally occurring compounds that can be toxic if consumed improperly, which has limited its popularity outside its native range. Still, few trees on this list have a more unusual story. And unlike bird cherry, the next fruit is one that many gardeners would happily eat straight from the tree. Number 6. Manchurian Apricot, Prunus manchurica. For gardeners who love apricots but live in brutally cold climates, Manchurian apricot might feel like a small miracle. This hardy species can survive temperatures close to -40°F, making it one of the toughest apricot relatives in the world. But unlike some cold hardy fruits that are grown mainly for survival, this tree offers something far more appealing, fruit that many people genuinely enjoy eating. By midsummer, the branches produce beautiful yellow-orange apricots, often blushed with hints of pink. The flesh is juicy, rich, and pleasantly tart, making it excellent for fresh preserves, baking, drying, and even homemade wines. One reason for its impressive cold tolerance is its ability to react quickly when temperatures begin falling in autumn. Rather than waiting for seasonal daylight changes, the tree responds directly to cooling weather, helping it prepare for winter before severe freezes arrive. Its biggest challenge comes much later. Like many apricots, it blooms early. A late spring frost can damage flowers and dramatically reduce the harvest. That's why experienced growers often plant it in locations that warm up more slowly during spring. For those willing to work around that weakness, Manchurian apricot delivers something rare. Authentic apricot flavor in places where most apricot trees wouldn't survive at all. And the next tree may be the best tasting fruit on this entire list. Number 5. Shipova, X. Sorbopyrus auricularis. If you've never heard of Shipova before, don't worry. Most gardeners haven't either. In fact, this rare fruit tree is so uncommon that many people discover it only after years of searching for unusual edible plants. Yet, among rare fruit enthusiasts, Shipova has earned a reputation that few trees can match. Some collectors consider it one of the finest tasting fruits you've probably never heard of. Shipova is an ancient hybrid between a pear and a whitebeam tree. The result is a remarkably cold, hardy fruit tree capable of surviving temperatures near -40 degrees Fahrenheit while producing beautiful golden yellow fruits that resemble small pears. But it's the flavor that steals the show. The flesh is buttery, exceptionally sweet, highly aromatic, and often compared to premium dessert pears. Unlike many fruits on this countdown that are mainly valued for processing, Shipova is prized for eating fresh right off the tree. So why isn't everyone growing it? The answer is patience. Traditionally, Shipova trees can take anywhere from 7 to 15 years before producing their first meaningful harvest. That's far too long for most commercial growers and even many home gardeners. Still, those willing to wait are often rewarded with a fruit that feels almost legendary among collectors. And speaking of productivity, the next tree produces far more fruit than most gardeners know what to do with. Number 4. Russian Mulberry, Morus alba tatarica. Some fruit trees reward patience. Russian Mulberry rewards abundance. This incredibly tough tree can survive temperatures around -35 degrees Fahrenheit while producing harvests so heavy that many growers struggle to keep up with them. Native to colder parts of Russia, it has earned a reputation as one of the most dependable fruit trees for harsh climates. Its winter survival strategy is surprisingly effective. As temperatures begin dropping in autumn, the tree gradually removes moisture from vulnerable tissues and concentrates protective compounds inside its cells. This helps prevent bark splitting and freeze damage during severe cold snaps. When summer arrives, the transformation is remarkable. The branches become loaded with sweet blackberry-like fruits that ripen from pale colors into deep shades of purple-black. The berries are soft, juicy, seedless, and easy to eat fresh right from the tree. They're also excellent for drying, jams, desserts, and homemade wine. In fact, one mature tree can produce far more fruit than a typical family can consume. But before you rush out to plant one, there's something you should know. Russian mulberry develops aggressive surface roots that can crack sidewalks, lift driveways, and cause problems near foundations if planted too close to structures. The fruit can also drop for weeks, creating stains and attracting birds. Still, for sheer productivity, few cold-hardy fruit trees come close. And the next tree proves that sometimes the rarest fruits come from the most unexpected family trees. Number 3. Granatnaya Mountain Ash, Ivan's Bell. Most fruit trees on this list evolved naturally over thousands of years. Granatnaya is different. This remarkable tree was intentionally created by legendary Russian plant breeder Ivan Manchurian, who spent decades developing plants capable of thriving in some of the harshest climates on Earth. By combining mountain ash with Siberian hawthorn, he produced a unique hybrid that survives temperatures around -30 degrees Fahrenheit while offering both beauty and productivity. At first glance, many people mistake it for an ornamental tree. In spring, clusters of bright white flowers attract pollinators. In autumn, the foliage turns brilliant shades of orange and red. But hidden among those branches is the real attraction. Clusters of dark wine-red fruits roughly the size of cherries. The flavor is sweet-tart, rich, and surprisingly complex. The fruits are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and carotenoids, making them excellent for jellies, preserves, cordials, and homemade wines. So why is it still so rare? The biggest problem isn't performance, it's awareness. Most gardeners have never heard of mountain ash hybrids, and many assume the fruits are ornamental rather than edible. As a result, Granatnaya remains largely confined to specialty nurseries and rare fruit collections. And speaking of overlooked fruit trees, the next one may be the most underrated edible landscape tree in the entire cold climate world. It flowers when winter is barely over and produces fruit that has been treasured for centuries. Number 2. Cornelian cherry dogwood, Cornus amas. Despite its name, Cornelian cherry isn't actually a cherry at all. It's a dogwood tree, and for centuries, it has quietly produced one of the most overlooked fruits in the temperate world. What makes this tree so remarkable is its timing. Long before most fruit trees even begin waking up from winter, Cornelian cherry is already covered in clusters of bright yellow flowers. In some regions, the blossoms appear while patches of snow are still on the ground, creating one of the earliest signs of spring. Even more impressive, those flowers are surprisingly frost-resistant. While many fruit trees lose entire harvests to late cold snaps, Cornelian cherry has evolved to handle temperatures around -30 degrees Fahrenheit and continue producing reliably year after year. By late summer, the tree develops brilliant red fruits that resemble small olives. Pick them too early, and they'll taste sour and astringent. But wait until they're fully ripe, soft, and ready to drop from the tree, and the flavor transforms into something sweet, tart, and surprisingly complex. The fruit is loaded with vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants, making it excellent for syrups, preserves, juices, sorbets, and fresh eating. Of course, not everyone has enough room for trees like these. Maybe you only have a small backyard, patio, or even a balcony. If that's your situation, stick around until the end, because we've got another guide covering 24 incredible flowers, herbs, fruits, and vegetables that thrive in containers. Perfect for growing more food in less space. But before we get there, we still have one final tree left. And it may be the most unusual fruit on this entire countdown. Number 1. Chinese Hawthorn, Crataegus pinnatifida. If popularity alone determined this ranking, Chinese Hawthorn probably wouldn't be number 1. In fact, most gardeners in North America have never even seen one. But that's exactly what makes this tree so fascinating. While it remains largely unknown in Western gardens, Chinese Hawthorn has been valued in Asia for centuries as both a food crop and a traditional medicinal fruit. It survives temperatures around -20 degrees Fahrenheit, produces striking scarlet red fruits, and offers a level of versatility that few trees on this list can match. At first glance, the fruits look like miniature apples hanging from the branches. Their bright red skin makes them stand out from a distance, especially when clustered together in autumn. Inside, the flesh is firm, tart, slightly sweet, and naturally rich in pectin, antioxidants, and organic acids. And unlike many fruits that are limited to 1 or 2 uses, Chinese Hawthorn can be transformed into an incredible variety of foods. In China, it's used to make fruit leathers, herbal teas, preserves, candies, and the famous street snack known as tanghulu. Bright red fruits, coated in a crunchy shell of hardened sugar. Some varieties are also processed into jams, syrups, and traditional desserts. The tree itself is surprisingly resilient. Before winter arrives, it sheds its leaves early and enters dormancy, helping it conserve moisture and protect sensitive tissues from cold weather damage. Its tightly sealed buds provide another layer of protection against harsh winter conditions. Of course, even this tree has a drawback. During spring bloom, the flowers release an unusual scent that many people compare to decaying fish. The odor helps attract pollinating insects, but it certainly doesn't make the tree a neighborhood favorite while it's flowering. Even so, Chinese Hawthorn earns the top spot because it combines cold hardiness, nutritional value, culinary versatility, and centuries of proven use into one remarkable package. And perhaps that's the biggest surprise of all. The fruit tree most people have never heard of may be one of the most useful trees they could ever grow. These 11 trees prove that even some of the coldest climates on Earth can produce incredible harvests. And if limited space is your biggest challenge, click the video on your screen to explore 24 flowers, herbs, fruits, and vegetables that thrive in containers. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.